Hey, Anissa Coy here with Firehouse Education and this week's Ask Anissa video column. And this week I'm super excited because I have a special guest here with me, which I'll introduce to you in just a second. This week, what I want to do is I want to have a conversation with you about a question and a dilemma that restorers share with me all the time and come to me and ask me how I can help them. And I figured the best way that I could help with this is to show you exactly how it's supposed to be done, because I have definitely found someone who does it exactly as it should be done. So the question that I get asked a lot about is packouts and how do you minimize damages and how do you make sure that your clients' furniture and things, you know, are handled in such a way that when you're moving them in and out of the house, they don't get damaged in that process, or you clean them and then they sit in storage and then they get all dusty and dirty and then you have to re-clean them again before you actually deliver them and do a reset. Well, I want to show you and actually have my assistant who is here with me tell you how he handles this, because he handles it very, very well. I'm actually in Billings, Montana, and I am at a cleaning company called Faithful Restoration, and I have Jeremy here with me. And Jeremy brought me out to the pod that he's been packing while I've been here doing some training with everyone, and I was so impressed with the contents out here and the packing job that Jeremy did that I really wanted to come out and do this video and have him speak to this. So Jeremy, like for instance, this looks like a end table or a file cabinet that you wrapped, yeah? So you've got this really wrapped. You've got moving blanket, like shrink wrap, all the way around is completely encased. Like, what have you been formally trained in this? Like, how long have you been in the industry? What made you do this stuff like this?
Well, I've been in the restoration industry for about a year now. But
Gotcha.
Before that, I worked at a furniture store in Nebraska for about 15 years.
Gotcha.
You know, and then I went to a moving labor company when I moved up to Montana.
Right.
So, you know, I always kind of had an idea on how to, you know, safely transport furniture. And, you know, I've seen a lot of furniture get damaged from it not being protected right. So when I came here and we started doing this, I wanted to, you know, make sure that all the pieces that were still good after the fire, that the family got back with no additional damage.
Right.
So, it took some, you know, a little bit of tweaking, but I think we got it figured out on how to, you know.
So when you say we, you got a team, right?
I got a great team. I got Jeff Carlisle, Chayton Seckler, and we do.
So you guys primarily do the pack out together then?
Yes. Getting
things ready to move?
Yeah.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So yeah, I just really wanted to show you guys and showcase what a great job. I mean, everything here has been shrink wrap. We've got moving blankets wrapped around all of the corners and everything, so we don't have anything nicked or dinged. Sorry about the motorcycle, but we're outside. I even love this. I want to show you. This is a plastic stackable, and he's shrunk wrap it so that the drawers won't fall out or so that these won't come apart. And that's just, you know, it's the little things, right, Jeremy, that mean so much and add up. So this furniture, and back here looks like a big entertainment center. Is that what this is?
No, this is a sofa table.
Oh, sofa table. Okay,
yeah,
gotcha.
A coffee table, a sofa table, and then there's a desk that this is actually the top of the desk.
Okay, okay. So, and look at this, guys. Jeremy, will you help me move this out? Now, this has a fragile sticker on too. Jeremy, what is this? I mean, I know what it is, but tell them what it is.
It's a floor mirror. And
look at that.
We cleaned it, took it apart, you know, just to get in the little nooks and crannies, and then these are the legs for it. I didn't want to leave it on there because it's, you know, 3-piece leg set that just screws in the bottom, which is very hard to protect, especially in a moving pod, which, you know, they tilt it up pretty high to get it on the truck. So
because the items that are stored in here is actually going to be moved in this pod, so he's packing this so everything can be transported. Yeah, that's great. So look at the care, you guys. Look at the extra care that was taken here. This right here is how you do contents pack out and don't have damages. You know, he took the care to take the legs off. and then wrap them in his own cardboard package that he made here. Then, after wrapping the entire mirror in the moving blanket, shrink wrapped the legs to the mirror and put a fragile sticker on it because there's glass. I mean, just think about how that homeowner is going to feel about the job that Faithful Restoration has done on their contents just from seeing how these items are packed. So this right here is a perfect example of how you wow your client, blow their mind, take care of their contents, and don't wind up having damages at the hand of your employees. So that was awesome. And so you guys are now going to put these kind of procedures in your SOPs.
It's already in our SOPs.
There you go. Awesome. There you go. All right, guys, you heard it straight from Jeremy. You should have SOPs like this in your business, and it will help you minimize any kind of damages and issues that come into moving furniture in and out of somebody's house, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, now we got some more contents to go finish processing, so I guess we should probably let them go, huh?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, hey, I hope you found this video valuable. Definitely, Jeremy is going to be an up-and-coming in the content industry. Him and his team are amazing, and I think we're going to see some really great things from them here in the near future, so I'm excited to watch them grow. So anyway, thanks for being on with me, Jeremy. So I didn't have to do this by myself. And thank you. You know how much I value your time, and for you to spend it with me, well, it means a lot. So thanks for that. Don't forget, send me your questions, Anissa@firehouseeducation.com, and maybe I just might feature you on next week's Ask Anissa video column.